Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel for popcorn. Start by measuring 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup corn syrup, 1/2 cup butter, and a pinch of salt. Heat sugar and corn syrup until amber, stir gently, then add butter and baking soda off heat to foam. Toss popcorn with the caramel quickly, spread on a sheet to cool, and break into clusters when set. Keep your temperature steady and trust the thermometer to hit 300 degrees F for a crisp finish. Use a heavy pan for even heat and avoid overstirring once the sugar darkens. Adding baking soda off the heat creates light, bubbly caramel that coats popcorn evenly. Work quickly when combining popcorn and caramel to prevent clumping and achieve crunchy, shiny clusters that cool into perfect snacks. Experiment with simple tweaks to make the caramel your own. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla for classic flavor or 1/2 teaspoon sea salt for contrast. Mix in chopped nuts or drizzle melted chocolate for texture and richness. For a spicy or warm note, add a pinch of cinnamon or chili powder. Small changes create big flavor differences and let you customize every batch to suit sweet.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.